Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to list free advertisement on Gumtree. First of all, you need to create an account on Gumtree and log in. Then click on post an ad. You can search in the search area for the category that you are advertising your item in, or you have the option to search in the browse to find a category. We are selling car parts, so we will be searching in the motors, and we scroll down to parts and we have the option to select car parts, van parts or any other parts. We are going to be selecting car parts and then we will be selecting continue. You can type in the item's title for whatever you are selling. For example, we are selling BMW clutch kit. Here you can add in the images, and we will be going into the documents and selecting the folder and then selecting the images and then clicking in open. You can add up to 20 pictures and these images will be uploaded in a couple of seconds. The large picture will be the main picture for the advertisement. Here you can add in the description about the item you are selling. You can add in your contact details, including your address and your phone number. This will be helpful to sell the item. Here we have the option to add in the price of the item. I will be typing in £80. You can type in any price. Then you have options to make your ad stand out, which includes featured, urgent or spotlight. However, this will cost depending on the days that you are selecting. These options you do not have to select if you do not want to spend the money. Your ad will last on Gumtree for free up to 28 days. In the contact details, there is an option to select email or contact number. We will be selecting just the phone number. However, it is up to you to select which option works for you. As you can see, the ad is totally free. Then click on post my ad. Now you can see that it says thanks for posting your ad. In the future, if you are thinking of managing your ad, there is an option to select manage my ad, and this will take you over to editing or promoting your advertisement. Here you can see that the ad is live. Here you have the option to select edit or promote, and here we will be showing you if you are doing promotions. There's an option to do urgent, bump up, featured or spotlight, but this will cost, but this is totally up to you. Otherwise your ad is free, which will last for 28 days. And if you want to edit the ad, you select edit and you can make any changes in the description or the title or the pricing. And scroll down over to updating the ad, and you can still see that the ad is free after any editing. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for further content. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe.